The Universal Windows Direct Guide to Operating Your Windows. The slider window. When operating a slider window, first make sure the locking mechanism is in the fully unlocked position. Use the slide rail to slide the window sash open and closed. To remove the window for easy cleaning or ventilation, slide the window open so it appears to be centered in the overall opening, or about 10 inches, and grasp it on both sides. Lift the window up and then tilt the bottom of the window in until it's free from the slider track and remove the sash. Then repeat on the second window sash. To insert the window, first place the top of the window into the top railing. Push the window into the frame. Push the window down into the bottom track to secure it back in place. When closing your window, remember to engage the locking mechanism. Another great feature of our Universal Windows Direct Windows is our limit latch. To operate the limit latch, just push in and down to close it and push in and up to open it. Once the limit latch is open, it will prevent the window from being allowed to open any further than 6 to 8 inches. This provides a little extra security. A lot of our customers like to use this feature along with the window lock when they want to leave their window open at night. This feature is also great if you have small children because they're not able to fully open the window. Be sure to check out our other videos for tips on how to operate, clean, and maintain your windows from Universal Windows Direct. If you have any questions about the operation of your window, contact Universal Windows Direct at 800-984-5846.